do I move on the number line? For example, -5 minus -3. In this lesson, you will learn to subtract integers by using a number line. Let's review. Integers are the positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. They increase as you move to the right, and they decrease as you move to the left. When we subtract a positive number, we move to the left on the number line. Here are two examples. 10 minus 7. We move 10 units in the positive direction and 7 units in the negative direction. The answer is positive 3. 3 minus 7. We move 3 units in the positive direction and 7 units in the negative direction, and the answer is -4. Let's look at some real-world examples. A football team gained 6 yards on first down and then lost 10 yards on second down. Where are they now? 6 minus 10. They gained 6 yards, so we move 6 yards in the positive direction, and then they lost 10 yards. They're at -4. The team is 4 yards behind the original line of scrimmage. I owe my brother $5. I fold his laundry and he forgives $3 of my debt. We're subtracting a -3 because my brother is taking away some of my debt. So on the number line, I move 5 units in the negative direction because this is the amount I'm already in debt. Now I need to think. If I subtract a positive number, I move left. So to subtract a negative number, I must move right. When I subtract -3, I move in the positive direction. The answer is -2. Now I owe my brother only $2. A diver dove 15 feet below sea level. Then she swam down another 10 feet. Where is she now? -15 minus 10. The diver is starting at the surface, or 0 on our number line. She's diving down 15 feet, and then she's diving down another 10 feet. The diver is now 25 feet below sea level. A diver dove to 20 feet below sea level. She realized she'd gone too deep, so she swam up 15 feet. Where is she now? This time, we are subtracting -15 because we are taking away the depth. She starts at 0, swims 20 feet down. Again, if I subtract a positive number, I move down. So to subtract a negative number, I must move up. We are taking away some of the depth. The answer is -5. The diver is 5 feet below sea level. A common misunderstanding is to think that in order to subtract a negative number, I must first start with a negative. However, this is not the case. Here we have a positive number subtracting a negative number. We move 5 units in the positive direction, and then again, to subtract a negative number, we moved over to the right. The answer is +15. In this lesson, you have learned to subtract integers by using a number line.